Nashville six string, blowing Valentine, played it till my fingers bled. Was the summer of '69. Me and some guys from school had a plan and we tried real hard. Jimmy quit, Jody got married. Should've known but we never get far. When I look back now, the summer seems to last forever. When I held your hand, I knew that it was now or never. Those were the best days of my life. Changing, look, everything is coming.